Hello everyone, today we're gonna do Diels-Alder reaction. So this is our reaction setup. We prepared our sand bath and that test tube. This is gonna be our reaction flask. Now I'm gonna transfer our compound to the reaction flask and then we're gonna start our reaction. So we transferred our solid here, one of the reagent, which is tetraphenylcyclopentadienone. That's the one. We got 2 grams of that mole compound, and now it's in the test tube. So for reaction as a solvent, we're gonna use ortho-dichlorobenzene. 10 milliliter of that solvent we're gonna use. So I'm gonna get 10 milliliter ortho-dichlorobenzene and 10 milliliter of that solvent. So I wanna rinse down if any compound stuck on the side of the test tube, so kind of washing down with the solvent, and as you see it's a dark color, so I'm gonna put that back, clamp. And what else I need 1 milliliter of our second reagent. We add 1 milliliter of dimethyl acetylenedicarboxylate, and now we can put that in the sand bath. To start our reaction. And during that time I will check the temperature with the thermometer. And we're gonna wait till reaction is done. We will boil our reaction mixture, which the boiling point gonna be around 185, and during that time reaction is gonna happen and the color gonna be changed, so we're gonna follow that and we're gonna wait till no further color change. When we're gonna reach that point, we're gonna stop our reaction. So now as you see it start to boil. We're gonna do kind of reflux in that temperature, so that way the solvent can wash out our glass walls. Our temperature now around 183 and it's boiling as you see, and it's kind of refluxing, washing the walls, so getting condensed, and also the color getting lighter than initial. It was dark. So when we're done with the reaction, we're gonna lift that up and that color change maybe gonna see better. just gonna look at the color change. If there's no change anymore, we're gonna keep boil at that temperature another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take off from the sand bath, let it cool down to 100 degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna pour 15 milliliter of ethanol to our reaction flask. Looks like color is not changing, so we're gonna boil that another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, still boiling, and the temperature still same, 185. And now I'm gonna turn off the heat. And gonna lift our reaction up from the sand bath. And now we're waiting for the temperature. It's dropping, so when it's reached 100 degrees, I will pour 15 milliliter of the ethanol to see crystallize the our products. How it's gonna be, we will see that. I'm pouring the ethanol, the temperature reach 100 degrees. Slowly, 15 milliliter of the alcohol. Now we're waiting for the crystallization. As you see under test tube, some products forming. When it's getting cool enough, we're gonna receive more crystals. Yes, that angle may show you crystals forming inside the solution. During this time, as you're seeing, the crystals getting formed more and more, and we're gonna do a little now, use tap water, running tap water. Under that water we're gonna let it cool down more and try to get more crystals. After holding running water, as you see, we have more crystals, and now it's ready for filtration. We're gonna use the vacuum filtration for this reaction. So that's gonna be the vacuum filtration setup. I need the funnel, of course, right size of the paper goes inside, and adapter for the vacuum. So also I need the tubing, the vacuum connection, and that run or vacuum. And now we're gonna do filter reaction product. Grab our reaction flask. As you see, that much product we have now. Our crystal is supposed to be white. We pour some methanol, and now I'm gonna turn on back the vacuum, and as you're seeing, it's gonna be white. nice product. Looks like pretty much dry, so we can try to get the weight for it. Let's see how much product we have. We put the label on the one weight ball, and I'm gonna transfer my sample here. I'm gonna get the weight. I pre-weighed that already. That's how it looks like now. That's our product.